In this video, we're going to talk about the top 2 skills to make money online. These 2 skills, once I learned them and when I work with people and they realize how simple these skills are, and then they just need to take a little bit of action to actually make money online, they're actually really surprised. The first skill that you probably won't be surprised to hear is focus. Focus on a proven strategy. So inside of my proven top strategy, inside of affiliating 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business, the first pillar, the first foundational pillar that you need to focus on is traffic. That requires you to pick a topic, and then focus really kicks in because there are certain tools and technology that work together with these tools. And then the time to move into step 3, and we'll cover that in a second, but think about what it takes to focus. And when I say focus, and we come back to the affiliating 9-step roadmap, it requires focus to believe that I just need to focus on traffic and then offer, and adding people to an email list will eventually take care of themselves. But also understand that when you're looking at this and you pick a topic and you understand you need a certain set of tools and some technology and the time to start creating content, because you want to build a channel, a traffic source. And I say a traffic source because I treat YouTube for what I believe it to be, the best traffic source for free traffic. As a marketer, as a person that wants to use or wants to create content and wants to use that helpful content to create traffic or to get people over to see the offer that will ultimately help them so I can make money online as an affiliate or selling my own product. And this is what you want to do. You want to focus on building out and the tools and the technology you need to build out your YouTube channel. And then, for example, you need to get started, you need to focus on the fact that you need a screen recording software and a video editing software. So you can use something like ScreenPal. It's something that you can start with for free. Then you come back and you bring that focus back and you say, okay, I picked the topic. Now let me focus on step 2 and understand that I need to take the time to focus on how does this tool work? Let me download the tool. Let me click start, right? Record a video. Let me understand that I also need a microphone. If I'm going to record my face, I need a camera. But if I'm just going to record my screen, then I just need to focus on how do I record my screen? What do I need to do when I'm recording the screen? Maybe I want to, draw on the screen. So then I need to say, okay, what tools or technology allow me to draw? Or if I edit or during the edit, maybe I can add in emphasis or create some type of focal point on the content I'm creating. But understand that the skill here is to focus. The skill here is to focus on all the little skills that you need underneath inside of that proven top strategy. So you come back and you say, okay, I know that I'm trying to generate traffic. I pick a topic, a simple topic like how to program in a certain programming language as a beginner, and I'm going to give you the basic steps. Then I know that I need to understand the tools and the technology to record that information to show them how to do it. Of course, you're also going to need to focus on the fact of how do I tell a compelling story? How do I compel people to understand how important it is to start with and learn the basics? How do I make it interesting? That's part of what's required inside of your topic and the tools and the technology and the time that moves us into the second skill that you need to master, which is consistency. Consistent content. Once you understand that consistent content means showing up and creating videos, for example, here on 30-Minute Marketing, I just crossed over 15,000 subscribers, and that happens because I show up and I'm consistent. I'm consistent with my content. And that doesn't necessarily mean, and I think a lot of people misunderstand what consistency means. Consistency doesn't mean, it could mean, but it doesn't have to mean that I always publish on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Consistency just means that you can continue to show up. Now, I think you need to do, actually, I know for a fact that if you don't find the focus and become consistent to the point where you create at least one video a week in the beginning, then you'll never get to the point where you have the ability to create a video that is going to do what you need it to do, which is the focus of creating consistent content or learning the skill of consistency and combining it with focus, the two top skills to make money online. If you never get to understanding, if you never understand that consistent content is about showing up and creating valuable content and understanding how to create a piece of content that holds people's attention and really gets them to think, yes, this is what I need to do to acquire this skill, and that is what you're doing to generate traffic, then you'll never get up to offer and creating a super simple lead magnet. Now, here is another challenge. When you get to step 4, super simple lead magnet, and I'll clear this off because I really want you to understand the focus is about focusing on the first pillar inside of the Proven Top strategy, which is the foundational pillar of any online business, is to first pick a topic and then understand the tools, the technology, and the time that you need to create consistent content, which is to record your screen, a microphone, and the ability that you will learn over time and with focus to be able to develop content that solves people's problems and does it in a way that is interesting for them to watch. But when you get up here to step 4, you have to come back down here to tools, tech, and time and understand that you made a list of these tools and you need additional tools because now you need to build a super simple lead magnet that's going to lead you up to step 3 or foundational pillar inside of the Proven Top strategy of traffic offer people, of adding people to an email list. Well, to do step 4 and to do step 7, you're going to need a tool like Lead Creator. Lead Creator is a tool that builds lead magnets. Again, go back to the simple strategy. The focus here is on building a super simple lead magnet. So you're focused on the tools and technology and the time. And don't forget, you're still down here because you're being consistent and you're showing up creating content to stay focused or to maintain the focus on the fact that you must have traffic. But now you're up here going, okay, let me focus and learn how to be consistent and create super simple lead magnets, create a bonus, and also let people know about more offers, which, by the way, this tool, Lead Creator, can and will do for you, but you need to focus and become consistent on understanding you need to spend time to learn how to develop your skills that are underneath focus and consistency inside of Lead Creator. And those are the hard skills, just like, okay, I need to learn how to create a lead magnet, which means I need to learn how to click this one button, name my lead magnet, select or create a category, and then pick one of the templates here that's available, and then utilize the AI to build a super simple lead magnet. Or go over and say, okay, let me go back to this strategy and say I need to develop a bonus. I need to go out and spend a little time to find some additional offers. But the core thing here is the focus is on step 2 of creating a way or utilizing the tools and the technology to show people your offer, but all comes back to the idea that you must focus. First, you must focus on the fact that you need a proven strategy, the Proven Top strategy. You need traffic to an offer, and you need to add people to an email list. You need to pick a topic, you need a set of tools, you need to understand the technology, and then you need to focus on the time to become consistent. To become consistent and create consistent content to generate traffic. Then come back and understand it's going to take consistency and focus to learn how to use those tools to build a super simple lead magnet, to build out a way to let people know that you have a bonus and then deliver that bonus. And then simply go out and look for more offers to follow up and focus and become consistent on letting people know about more offers that will help them ultimately solve their problem. Come back to the strategy. Now your focus has shifted to people to build an email list. Well, a set of tools and technology and the time that is required to build out an email list requires a secondary set of tools, because Lead Creator is going to help you build a really quality lead magnet, but you need a set of tools. For example, System.io, you need to learn how to load up those contacts, how to build sales funnels, or the pages to let people know about your offers. This is specifically if you're creating your own offers. Maybe then you want to start a blog as a second traffic source. So now you're going to need to focus on how to blog as well as how to maintain your consistent content here on YouTube. And all these tools require focus and consistency to walk through and learn all about how to set up contacts, how to use the new pipelines feature, how to build out sales funnels, maybe create your own digital store, how to make sure that you are automating and come back or look at this under emails, send out newsletters, which are broadcasts that you send manually, or campaigns, which inside of the proven top strategy is pillar or step number 8 under pillar number 3 is to automate all of this. And then you wipe all that off the board, and then you get to step 9 because you've been able to focus, you found consistency, you generated traffic by understanding that you need to pick a topic, and you did. Understand there's going to be tools, technology, and time, something like ScreenPal to record your screen, something like Lead Creator to move up here and create super simple lead magnets. Pillar number 2, to let people know about your offer. Then pillar number 3, build an email list. System.io, which allows you to put emails or people's email address into a contact list. And then System.io allows you to automate it. Then your focus moves to having a profitable online business, meaning that you're making more money than you're spending to operate your business. And now you're looking to scale, and you come back down here and you focus again on traffic. And like we were looking inside of System.io, maybe under websites, now you want to create a blog. You come back here and you say, okay, I'm going to stay on the same topic, but I need to create a blog. Now I'm creating YouTube videos. I'm also creating blog posts. Even if you never get to that point and you only have one traffic source, which I think you need to focus at some point and say, okay, let me create an additional traffic source, but you're getting ahead of the game. You're getting ahead of the game because the 2 skills that you need to acquire today are focus and consistency. And if you'd like my help to focus on a proven strategy or a method that allows you to utilize the proven top strategy and shows you how to build out content consistently, focused on a very, very specific method, a method I call the 49er method, click the link in the description, check it out. I would love to have you come along with me in that case study where I show you how I utilize these 2 skills of focus and consistency, and also utilize my proven top strategy and the 49er method. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.